Hello guys, this is Muskan aka Call Me a Reader. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I have got a really good book recommendation video for you. If you are a beginner, believe me, this is just the right video for you because I don't know if our reading taste is similar or not, but if you're still figuring it out, I have some really good book recommendations. Okay, so if you want to start with romance book, I genuinely think that you should either start with romance book or thriller books because these are really good if you're starting into the fictional world. And I think that you should really start with Archer's Voice because it's a very simple, genuine, and sweet kind of love story. And you also get to see the vulnerable side of the characters. And I genuinely love reading this book because see, the point is ki in romance books, what usually happen is ki they glorify a lot of things. Ki the guy is like really macho man, and the girl is really vulnerable, who needs to be protected, and blah blah blah. I do like such books at some point of time, but then I think कि if you're starting with it, you should also understand the other side of the male characters. And for that, I really think that you should read Archer's Voice. I read this book around I think 4.5 years ago, and I still recommend this book to a lot of people, especially to a lot of teenagers and to the beginners because it's very easy peasy going. English is very easy. And also, just so you know, all the books that I'm recommending are very easy to read, very, easy to munch. The English is very easy, so you can easily go and grab them. Okay, so after Archer's Voice, you should read You Have Read Sam because, okay, let me explain. Okay, I know that this is also one of the most, what to say, disappointing kind of book. Like, people have a lot of harsh and extreme thoughts. Either people love it, either people hate it. There's no middle way with this book. And I think that you must have seen this book literally everywhere on the Instagram. I have my opinions, I have got my reasons. See, I understand that this plot does not. Why my mother is messaging me? Anyways, so I know that this plot does not make any sense in your head because the entire plot is something ki there's this guy who dies and this girl does not get a closure, so he gets on a call and get connected with her again. I know that does not make any sense ki how a guy who is already dead. I know, ठीक है. But it is so emotional. It is like there's no spicy scenes. It's just pure love, fate, emotions. I think that you will like it very much. Just remove the logical part from it. Okay, it's more of a fantasy kind of thing. Just remove the logical part from it, but it is going to make you cry so much. It is going to make you miss your loved one so much. So I think that you should definitely try this book. Next we have is King of Envy and the Striker by Anna. And just listen to me, okay? I know that you must have read and at least must have seen this Twisted series on the Instagram at least one time. I know. And people claim that this is one of the best work of Anna. I know, I get it. Just hear me out. This is not. The best work of Anna is King of Envy and the Striker. And I understand the Striker is a pretty much thick book, so you might not be able to complete it as a beginner. But I genuinely think if you can, take it because it's the sports romance, it's a first sports romance, take it. So you should definitely try it if you can bear with the thickness of the book. If not, it's also fine. You can try the King of Envy. Bhai, matlab, I have read almost all the books by Anna, but I did not feel this. I don't know what to say. Like these two books are for sure one of the best books by her. And I still remember King of Envy. Oh my god. King of Envy भाई एक तो इतनी मजेदार बुक थी. इतनी मतलब see, the guy is good, the guy is rich, the guy is smart, the guy is going to burn the entire world for her. What else do you need? Just tell me. What else do you need? It is like a package deal, bro. It's so cute. Matlab, constantly you're smiling, you're giggling. It's so good. You genuinely have to try this book. Next that we have is Everything by Nicolo Yoon. And I have already read the previous book by her, that is The Sun Is Also a Star. That is also an incredible masterpiece. Okay, that's incredible love story. This one is also a very good book, and it is also very short. And to be honest, I have very small chapters in it. Like, I have to show you. Okay, can you guys see? Like, these are the chapters. These are very, very small. So you can easily complete it in like 2 or 3 days. And also, if you want to take more, who am I to tell you that? Anyway, so like the story is very fresh and very unique. So the story is about a girl who is not able to get out of her home because she has a disease, and the moment she will come in the contact of the air, her heart will give up or something like that. And she fell in love with a neighborhood guy, and how she navigates through the entire thing, it's incredible. And you start loving your life a little bit more after reading this book, because we take a lot of things for granted, and when we see the world from this girl's perspective, it immensely change our life. Next, I have a book recommendation for a sad book. Okay, now I don't know if you should read a sad book as a beginner, but I can recommend you one. Okay. And whenever you feel like reading such a book, you can definitely try this one. But just have a paper, like box of tissue paper, because this one is really, really sad. So it is If He Had Been With Me. I have the second part of this book right here. That is If Only I Had Told Her. And it's been 3 years since I have read this book, and I'm still not able to overcome it. I'm still not able to have the courage to pick the second part of this book. I have got it here, but I'm still not able to have that courage because it broke something inside me, and I do not want to encounter it again. But I also have this curiosity, what is there in the second part, because a lot of people are talking about the second part. So I have got this book here, but I'm really, really scared to pick it. But if you want to read a sad book, you can definitely try the first part. Okay, now I'm going to start recommending you a few series, like a few romance series, and I'm going to start with my utmost favorite sports romance series. And I still can't stop thinking about it. I still can't stop blushing because of it. Anyways, okay, so the series is a Vancouver series, and it is a sports romance series. I am officially a sports romance girly. I love reading sports romances because they are like a package deal. I can laugh, I can giggle, I can cry, all of these things in just one book. Okay, so I'll attach the screenshot here, the Vancouver series ka. I kid you not. You have to try this book. I am obsessed. And when I'm saying obsessed, I do not mean it in like a influencer obsessed way. No. I don't mean it that way. I was obsessed that I got my nails done for this one particular book in this series. I am this kind of obsessed. Okay. I have done this what do you call it? Um this sparkly thing on the book of this one particular series. I have to show you. Wait. Can you people see? I did this thing, and when I saw this trend, I was like, I have to do this with one of my favorite books. And bro, I I am so envious of the people who are going to read this series for the very first time. It's so cute. I will attach all the screenshots of this entire series, and I genuinely think that you should try it, bro. This is hands down the best romance series that I have ever written. Okay, and I am going to recommend this series until I take my last breath, because you cannot convince me otherwise. भाई, if I'm getting my nails done because of this one particular series, तो समझो कि कितनी ज़्यादा अच्छी है. ठीक है, मतलब तुम समझो. Okay, next series that I want you to read is Billionaire series. I am not sure if people call it Billionaire series, but I am calling it Billionaire series since 1 year now, and it's a three-part book series. And I read it around 1 year ago, 1.5 year ago. It's really good. See, I am not into billionaire romance because I kind of do not relate to it, because why would a billionaire or like a millionaire person would want to love me? Because yeah. सो बट इट काइंड ऑफ डज नॉट मेक सेंस इन हेड, बट जब मैंने ये वाली बुक पढ़ी भाई, भाई साहब, मतलब यू विल गेट एवरी ट्रूप इन इट। ठीक है कि मतलब फोर्स्ड अरेंज मैरिज है, एनिमीज टू लवर है, द गाय इज रेडी टू बर्न द वर्ल्ड फॉर हर, the girl is sassy, all of these things भाई, मतलब and मेरे को ऐसा लगता है ना कि this is one of the most underrated series. Not a lot of people are recommending it, but they should be, क्योंकि it's really really good. मतलब मैं बिलियनर सीरीज नहीं पढ़ती, ठीक है, बट मैंने जब ये वाली पढ़ी तो मेरे को बड़ा मजा आया यार। मेरे को ऐसा लगा कि यार मैं तो बहुत ही ज़्यादा मिस आउट कर रही हूँ सच्ची में। एंड मतलब इसके बाद में तो आई फेल्ट कि आई हैव टू डिस्कवर मोर ऑफ द बिलियनर सीरीज, सो दिस वाज ऑफिशियली माय फर्स्ट बिलियनर सीरीज एंड आई लव्ड इट, लाइक लव इट। आई डू नॉट रिमेंबर ये दो बुक्स कौन सी सीरीज का पार्ट है, इफ यू डू रिमेंबर प्लीज टेल मी इन द कमेंट्स। मैं भूल चुकी हूँ, बट आई हैव डेफिनेटली रेड द अदर पार्ट्स ऑफ द सीरीज एज वेल, बट दीज टू आर माई utmost favorite. दिस इज कॉट अप एंड सेकेंड इज प्ले अलॉन्ग। बेसिकली ये दोनों भाइयों की ही स्टोरी है, एंड इन दिस वन दिस इज द एल्डर ब्रदर स्टोरी, दिस वन इज द यंगर ब्रदर स्टोरी। भाई मतलब इन दोनों में से भी मेरी फेवरेट तो खैर कॉट अप ही है, बिकॉज आई लव अ पैकेज डील। ठीक है कि मतलब रोमांस भी है, स्पाइसी सीन्स भी है, आई एम लाफिंग, आई एम गिगलिंग, इमोशनल सीन्स भी है, ठीक है। सो आई लव दिस वन अलॉट। इसका मुझे एक्सपेक्टेशन बिल्कुल भी नहीं था, बिकॉज द गाय इज लाइक अ प्ले बॉय एंड आई वाज लाइक नो, आई डोंट वांट टू रीड इट, बट देन व्हेन आई रेड इट आई गेट टू नो अ लॉट अबाउट हिम and I kind of fell in love with the book. I wish I could say fell in love with him, but इसको तो है ही नहीं, exist ही नहीं करता है. Anyways, but I think that you will definitely like these two books. I forgot the series ka names. Please just go and search these two books ka series. These are really really good. Okay, the next book that we have here is A Million Kisses in Your Lifetime. I am not sure if you have seen this book or not, but when I was reading this book, it was literally everywhere on the Instagram. Okay, everywhere. Okay, and if you want to read a school plus college romance with a lot of spicy scenes, yeah, please just go and read this book, because I still remember when I was reading this book, I showed this book to my colleagues in my previous office, and everyone was like कि what is it in and क्या लिखा है भाई, क्या हो रहा है, so ऐसा। It was that spicy. And just so you know, these are all like 24-25 people. I am not exploiting anyone, I'm not spoiling anyone, it just they were old enough to understand, okay. And I was too stunned to read this book, but it was also good read, ठीक है, thick है, but it is something कि it will keep you hooked, so you will like it, okay. So the next book that we have is Thousand Boy Kisses. Now this is not a spicy romance, this is not a teenage lovey-dovey type of romance. It is a teenage romance, but it's more of a teenage love story instead of teenage romance. If you get the difference, then you get the difference, okay. It is a really really emotional read, and I don't know if I should recommend you this book or not, but because it really, really broke something inside me, and I felt so, so empty after reading this book. But I think that you should try this. Why am I getting emotional now? But I think that you should definitely try this book, because you will be able to understand life a bit better, and you will be able to love your close ones a little bit more, you will able to hold them a little bit more. This is something that I do not want to recommend to a lot of people, but if you can bear with sad romance book or like sad love story, please just go and read this book. The second part of this book is also there. So see, when there is heartbreak, there is also healing. So the second part, which is Thousand Broken Pieces, is also there to heal your heart. When I read this book, apparently भगवान जी thought कि नहीं अभी तो मैं इसका हार्ट हील नहीं होने दूंगा, ब्रेक ही रहने दो। भाई जब मैंने पढ़ी उसके एटलीस्ट 1 या 2 साल बाद दूसरी बुक रिलीज हुई, और तब तक तो मैं पगलाई पगलाई घूम रही थी कि यार क्यों हुआ ये, ऐसे क्यों हुआ। मैं भाई आई यूज्ड टू क्राई सो बैड, लाइक रनिंग नोज, लाइक टीयरी आईज एंड एवरीथिंग, कि क्यों भगवान जी ऐसा क्यों ऐसा टाइप है. And then the second part released. There's also a little bit heartbreak there, but a lot more healing is also there. These two books are connected, so you still have the scope of healing. I did not have that scope, but I still went ahead and read this book. But I do not regret. I do not. I personally do not regret. Next series that I really, really love is Maple series. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing it right, but you will understand the series when I'm going to name the books. So the first one is Icebreaker, then is Wildfire, and then is Daydream. Three of these books are by Hannah Grace, and I've also got the latest book by this author, that is Holiday Ever After. She has released this after I think 1 year or something. Totally recommend it. Very good books. And first and second part is my utmost favorite out of this entire series, especially the second part, because the guy is so emotional, he's so cute, he's so vulnerable, he's always being there for you. And I absolutely love such guys, because that is fine that I am the guy, I'm the macho guy, all of that shit is fine. But sometimes I just need to engage, I just need to detox my brain with these kind of books, which I absolutely love, where the guy is like so emotional, he's so vulnerable, he just be there for you. Okay, if you're going anywhere, he'll be like, just okay, I'll also come with you. It's something like that. Okay, so I think that you will like this book a lot. Okay, so you should try these three books. You can start with the first one. You can try all these three books as a standalone, but I would recommend you to start reading the book by the series itself. That's all for today's video. I hope you guys read a lot of books from my recommendation, and if you do, please do let me know. It actually makes my day to know that you people are reading books from my book recommendation. And I'm not going to eat your brain now anymore, because it's been a long video. So I'll see you in the next one. Okay, bye.